If you're tired of trading time for money and want to earn while you sleep, listen up. Today I'm going to teach you how to build an online course once, and keep making money from it for years. This is how I turn knowledge into a product that runs on autopilot. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose a profitable idea. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to help someone get a result. Ask yourself, what do people always ask me about? What skill have I mastered that others want to learn? What can I teach that solves a real problem? Profitable course ideas include freelance skills, copywriting, design, video editing, business, dropshipping, marketing, client outreach, personal development, productivity, mindset, communication, AI and tech, ChatGPT, automation, coding, creative skills, photography, music, storytelling. Validate your idea by asking your audience, even small, posting a poll or tweet, searching course platforms, Teachable, Udemy, using Google autocomplete and Reddit questions. Step 2. Outline the transformation, not just information. People don't pay for videos, they pay for results. Define the outcome your course delivers. Go from zero to editing viral TikToks, land your first 3 clients in 30 days, launch a digital product in 1 week. Now outline the path in modules. Example: introduction and mindset tools. You'll use step-by-step framework, common mistakes, monetization, bonuses and templates. Keep each lesson short, 5 to 15 minutes, and focused on action. Step 3. Record with what you have. You don't need a studio. Use your phone or webcam. Slides plus voiceover, Loom, OBS, Canva, screen recordings for tutorials. Make it real, personal, and valuable, not perfect. Add PDFs, checklists, worksheets. These increase perceived value. Step 4. Choose a platform you can host your course on. Gumroad, great for digital products, easy payouts. Teachable, full platform, good for beginners. Kajabi, all-in-one, expensive but powerful. Thinkific, user-friendly, scalable. Podia, nice for communities plus upsells or sell directly through WhatsApp bots, Telegram, Google Drive plus payment link, email delivery after checkout. Don't wait for the perfect setup, launch first, upgrade later. Step 5. Automate and evergreen it. Make your course evergreen, so it sells without your constant presence. How? Create an email funnel that nurtures and sells. Use short-form content, Reels, TikTok, Shorts, to drive traffic. Add bonuses for urgency, limited Q&A, templates, etc. Run a free webinar or lead magnet to grow your email list. Someone finds you on TikTok, right pointing arrow clicks your link, right pointing arrow joins your email list, right pointing arrow gets value plus offer, right pointing arrow buys the course. It all runs while you're asleep. Step 6. Keep improving. Once people start buying, ask for feedback, add updates or bonus lessons. Turn testimonials into marketing. Add higher ticket offers, one-to-one coaching, group sessions, templates. One course can change your life. I've seen people go from $0 to $10,000 plus with one digital product. Don't overthink. Start messy. Create value. Launch fast. Improve over time. Let me know in the comments, what would your course be about? Down finger. I'll help you build it step by step in the next video.